Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the anchor bend. It's a knot specifically dreamed up to connect your anchor line to your anchor. The cool thing about this, it's super strong, it resists slipping, and it's also easy to tie and easy to untie. Let's get into it. So for many of you, you've got a piece of anchor line that does not have a spliced eye in the end of it. Normally that's what you're going to want to use to connect an anchor line to an anchor. Some kind of spliced eye and a shackle and chain. But in cases where you're just looking to tie a temporary line, connection to your anchor or whatever, and you don't have that spliced eye, this is a great knot for that. They call it the anchor bend. Super easy to tie. I'm going to show you real fast here how to do it. First off, take your working end here. We're going to grab the ring on the end of the anchor. We're going to pass this through the ring. Give yourself, I don't know, 18 inches or so. Now we're going to take that same working end and we're going to pass it around and back through again. So now if you notice, I have two loops that you see. One loop and two loops because we've passed through twice. Now I'm going to take this working end, I'm going to pass it around the standing end, and we're going to go back through the two loops that we just made. See that there? Go ahead and tighten everything up. And this is a correct anchor bend. Notice how the two loops are placing a tremendous amount of force against that working end, so it can't slip. The last step would be put a little hitch in it to finish it off. This is just a simple hitch. You may want to leave yourself a little extra line so there's a little more hanging off the end there. Makes a super compact, super durable, super strong knot. It's not going to slip. It's easy to untie. Once you've had it under a load, you can untie this relatively easily. We like to use this in a temporary situation where we're just going to be tying, you know, just like a stern anchor or something like that. This is more of a stern anchor, but it works great for any type of anchor situation. Well, that's the anchor bend. If you've got questions about how to tie this knot or any specifics that you want to find out more in detail, just give us a shout. Comment below. We'll be glad to answer those questions for you. And if you like this video, check this one out.